In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a custom domain in Vercel. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Removing a custom domain disconnects it from your project, so any traffic to that domain will stop reaching your app. Make sure you have access to your DNS settings if you plan to repoint the domain elsewhere afterward, and ensure you're signed into Vercel with the right permissions for the project. Start by opening your browser and going to vercel.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you land on the dashboard. You'll see a list of your projects. This is where we'll pick the project that currently has the custom domain you want to remove. Find the project in the list and click the three dots next to its name to open the Quick Actions menu. This menu gives you a shortcut to important options without opening the full project view. Choose the option that lets you manage the project's configuration. From there, click Settings. This takes you to the project's settings area where you can adjust things like environment variables, deployment behavior, and, for what we need today, domains. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct project by checking the project name at the top of the page. Now click Domains. In the Domains section, you'll see all domains connected to this project, including the default .vercel app URL and any custom domains you've added. You may also see information about which domain is used for production and whether there are preview domains configured. Locate the custom domain you want to remove and click Edit. This opens the controls for that specific domain, where you can review details and make changes. Double check you've selected the correct domain, especially if multiple custom domains are attached, to avoid disconnecting the wrong one. Finally, click Remove. Vercel will ask you to confirm, since this is a potentially disruptive change. Confirm the removal to disconnect the domain from the project. After this, the domain will no longer point to your Vercel app. Your project itself stays intact and deployments will continue as usual, but users visiting that domain won't reach your site anymore. If your DNS is managed outside Vercel, remember to update or clean up any DNS records to prevent confusion or downtime when you repoint the domain. That's it. You've removed a custom domain in Vercel by going to vercel.com, selecting your project, opening settings, navigating to domains, editing the target domain, and confirming remove. If you need to attach a different domain later, you can return to the same domain sections and add it when you're ready.